Are you tired of the endless struggle in Forex trading? It's time to stop the cycle of frustration caused by traditional trading methods. Today, we're going to put an end to that cycle and show you the ultimate solution used by professionals to achieve consistent results. For too long, traders have been trapped between two reactive and dangerous strategies. We've been told to rely on the stop loss, which often becomes a slow drain on our account, constantly closing trades for small, frustrating losses. Then there's the martingale system, a high-risk gamble that promises a quick recovery but can wipe out your entire account in a single unlucky streak. Both of these methods are fundamentally flawed, but there is a better way. The answer is hedging. Hedging is a professional, proactive strategy that gives you complete control over your trades and protects your capital from market volatility. It is a method of placing a pause button on your losses and giving yourself the time and control to make smart, profitable decisions. The core principle is simple. You open two opposing positions on the same currency pair. For example, if you have a buy trade open on Euro USD, you also open a sell trade on Euro USD. If your buy trade starts to lose money, your sell trade starts to gain an equal amount. Your net profit and loss is now locked in. You have effectively stopped the bleeding. This is a game changer because it allows you to calmly analyze the market, free from the emotional pressure of watching a losing trade spiral out of control. While hedging is an incredible strategy, it requires constant attention. This is where the RobotFX auto recovery expert advisor comes in. This professional trading robot for MetaTrader 4 and 5 automates the entire hedging process, turning it into a powerful tool for loss recovery and profit generation. It uses a proven zone recovery strategy, also known as automatic loss recovery or the recovery zone method, to protect trades and recover losses. Instead of relying on a stop loss, the auto recovery expert works by placing opposite pending orders at a specific recovery zone distance from your initial trade with a slightly higher lot size. When the price reverses and hits your pending order, the EA activates it as a hedging position. The algorithm automatically calculates the lot size of these hedging orders so that your overall profit increases as soon as the price moves in your favor. The key functions of the auto recovery EA are preventing losses. It hedges open trades to prevent them from hitting a stop loss and turning into a permanent loss. Automating break-even. It can automatically close the entire basket of trades once it reaches break-even or a set profit target. Turning losers into winners. It transforms losing trades into profitable ones by closing them and securing profits on the opposite, hedging positions. The EA's powerful algorithm, which is based on Joseph Nemeth's well-known zone recovery trading method, ensures that your account is protected. You can even set a limit on the total number of trades it can open to ensure disciplined risk management while still benefiting from this powerful recovery system. By using the RobotFX Auto Recovery EA, you can stop fighting the market and start working with it. This is the ultimate solution to stop losing and start earning consistent profits from Forex. You can try this powerful approach for yourself. The RobotFX Auto Recovery EA is free to download and use on a demo trading account, allowing you to test the strategy without any financial risk. Take control of your trading and move towards a more profitable future. Good luck trading!